Hello everyone and welcome to Quick Click's new video on the OSI model, and today we'll be discussing the fifth layer of the OSI model, also known as the session layer. As per usual, we're going to describe this layer, the session layer, the fifth layer of the OSI model, and talk about protocols that we may encounter. So, what is the session layer? Well, say you have a computer. That computer can also be called the client. Say you want to send an email from the client to another client somewhere else, you will have to interact with an email server. Email server, also known as the host. So this session layer has a job of maintaining a secure connection between these two endpoints. What I mean by secure is establishing that there is a means for data to travel. Compared to the transport layer, the fourth layer of the OSI model, that is there to determine how data is going to travel. Is it going to travel as a connectionless or a connection-based protocol? Another aspect of the session layer is to assemble and reassemble data accordingly. A common theme in the OSI model: data encapsulation. Data changes as it travels through the layers of the OSI model so that different devices, different services, different protocols can process this data. We have different data types, don't we? We've got the data type, we've got the packet data type, we've got the session data type, and we have the bits data type, bits and bytes. Okay, so the session layer, inter-host connection, maintaining a connection between host and client, uses the protocols TCP and UDP for these connections, and it assembles and reassembles data accordingly, encapsulating data as it travels, encrypting and decrypting. Other aspects of the fifth layer, the session layer of the OSI model, as well as host communication, we can expect to see network file system. We expect to have data type, as we've already mentioned, and we can expect to see RPC and NetBIOS. These are two different services that concern the session layer. So RPC stands for Remote Procedure Call, which allows a program to execute in different address spaces, and NetBIOS stands for Network Basic Input and Output, which provides services for the session layer. So that's everything for this video today. I hope you gained something from it, and I will see you in the next one.